We have an iPad here and the audio is not working, and the reason is it has a little piece of the headphones broken off inside of the mic jack there. So we're going to get that out, and you just need a few materials. Got to get a hot glue gun ready to go. So I got a hot glue gun warming up here, and you also need to have what works best is the barrel from a Bic pen. So here's one that I've taken and I've blown all the ink out of. I put in some water as well to get all the ink out of there. And we're going to use both of those to get it out. So sometimes it comes out all in one piece, kind of like what we got right here. Sometimes you're going to get a little sheath out and then the rest of the jack out. So we're going to see what we get here today. So all I got to do is just put a little bit of ink inside of the end of that barrel. All right, squeeze a little in there. And then all you have to do is take that barrel and let's see, sorry, I can't see that so well. Stick it inside of the jack and just hold there for a few seconds and then blow. And when you blow in that barrel, you're just sticking that hot glue out of there. A little bit's going to go on the end of the jack, and then you can pull it straight out. That one was really stuck in there. I had to hold that for a few extra seconds. So you can see we got that there. I held that there for a good 10 seconds that time. And we got a piece of it to come out. So what you can do is just snip that part of your barrel right off. And that actually was the only piece that was inside there. So someone may have already gotten the rest of it out of there, but that's all that was there. Headphones slide right in now.